Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to randomize question orders in Google Forms. So first of all you will open up your Google browser and then search for Google Forms here like this, and then basically open up this first page and click on go to forms, and then here make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account, and then click on this blank page, and this will basically create a blank form for us to edit. Now in this, at the top you can see we have like three different options. So you will click on settings here. Now in here you can see that we have multiple options. So you will click on presentation, and here you can see this option where it says shuffle question order. So enable this. Now basically after you enable this option, what this will do is now you can basically change the order of questions. Okay, like you can basically now randomize the questions in your form. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.